guys, it's your girl Emily, and I'm finally back with another freaking video. Woo. Oh, okay, let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be showing you my new slime collection. I have store-bought slime, Flown and store-bought slime. I think it has slime in it though. Let's get into the video. First things, we're going to do this 3-pound slime with it's made by Compound King. So yeah, it's really big. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to finish making this marble slime. So I decided why not make a video. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that like button with your nose. And also, make sure you subscribe to me, and I'm going to say that in too. And I promise, I think this year is not going to be any editing. So yeah, let's try that out. No editing for this year. This year. Only this year. This year. That's it. They keep on falling out. Oh my gosh. Oh. Also, guys, I really, really love this thing. Awesome. Wow, I love slime so much. But this right here, I'm not digging it. So I'm going to get another piece of this 3-pound slime. And plus, it's 3 pounds. I don't have enough slime. Let's put these marbles back in. And let's try. Oh, okay. Let me try. Horrible noise sound. Not satisfying. Please don't judge me. This is an awful mess. So we're not going to use the whole bag of marbles. Put this over here. Okay, I got my third slime for my slime collection. I just have to get containers. So it looks like he's going to be camping in with his favorite buddy, Yo Joe. Ooh, yeah, Yo Joe. Yo Joe. Da, 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 da. Yo Joe. Oh, next time is I'm going to try that to make it. It's chalk slime. Poor chalk. Bye, chalk. Have a nice life. And I used this chalk before. I love using this kind of chalk because it's like really, really pretty colors. So that's why I decided to add this in slime. And I'm probably going to add. That's enough. So let's go ahead and camp in with your favorite buddy, you. Wow. They're all falling out again. Still falling out. I'm going to be adding all the colors in here. These are the colors of the rainbow. Da, 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 da. This is not pink, guys. Okay. Yellow. Green.
I have zero recollection of going into sleep mode.
My power's been drained by 30%. Ash, I'm so hungry.
And this. And now purple.
What happened to you? You look like us.
I'm getting my table dirty. Well, this is my new slime table and video table. So next time I make another video, you're gonna see this mess on here. I'm just joking. I'm gonna clean it up. So it's that messy. I'm sorry. I'm not messy. You guys thought like something was wrong with my eyes or something? No, I can make that face if I want to. I get so crazy sometimes.
Alright, let's review
Start
exactly
next.
what we know. So when we all came to, we realized we had fallen asleep for no logical reason, right?
And when Sophocles and I woke up, we found out we were hungrier than we'd ever been.
Yeah, I felt the same way.
Yeah, I was picking some berries and then I discovered that Stevie must have wandered off somewhere. And then Lana and I both went into the forest looking for Snowy. And suddenly I fell asleep. But I wasn't hungry like you. You and I were together, but I felt hungry. Why was Lily the only one?
Hold on. I saw something just before.
Gonna add more? This is actually okay. Doesn't make the noise.
Utilizing my powers of deduction, you know where it is. You Lily. Do you think that infected such as I wouldn't notice your parasol open this afternoon? That's not all. The clincher is that you were the only one who had no appetite whatsoever. How could I? You can fool some people all the time, but never the sharpest crocodile in Omaha. Somehow, thank you for your melodramatic performance. Why did you cut my big scene? Because there's no way in the world Lily is the culprit.
How could you possibly make us
Sorry.
hungry?
You have to take the slime out because this is getting stuck.
First we fell asleep, and then we woke up hungry.
So it was all true.
Huh?
My story. Your story? About the creepy things that happen in the forest?
Wait, are we all going to end up nothing but skin and bones?
That was just one of Lana's old jokes.
Joke, but we all still fell asleep.
Look, we were having so much fun we got tired. We've had our curry dinner, so for tonight, let's get a good night's sleep.
Now let's put more chalk in here.
Who's that Pokemon? It's Morlo.
Now I'm gonna do only purple and blue. I love purple and blue. Those are my two favorite colors.
Man, my head.
I can't believe we fell asleep again.
Hold on. I saw something right before. I saw something floating and glowing.
I kept hearing the word lull, like sleep.
You're all hungry already? My powers are drained again. I'm not feeling hungry at all.
I hate being
think I'm gonna do a slime smoothie, but I have to be piece off of each slime because you know I'm trying to start a slime collection. You hear?
All my energy. I know. Morlo. About me. It's energy that you're after. You can take all the energy you want from me. All right, show me what you got. Hey, not bad. Here I go.
More chalk. More chalk. Sorry.
But so did I. So weird.
Does not compute. Does not compute.
I know. Of course. Squirrel's draining Ash's energy, but Ash is getting energy back from the curry. That's unbelievable.
Not when Ash is doing it.
Nothing he does surprises me.
Seconds, please. Sure. Here. Thanks. Oh, strong stuff. Birds, please. Thanks.
My table's so messy. Okay, I'm gonna start doing this. Gonna get a little bit. And put in. Alright, now we're gonna make a slime smoothie.
Wow, they've become friends. It's an unusual way to make friends, but it works.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video, yo. Make sure you hit that bell. I will be giving shout outs to whoever likes this video. And I will also be giving shout outs to the people who subscribed. Bye.